Nowadays, many people are looking to lose weight and get healthy. Junk foods are high in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars. These have been proven to cause inflammation throughout the body. Over time, this can lead to a great range of illnesses such as diabetes, weight gain, obesity, arthritis, eye disorders, heart attacks, strokes, and many more. In today's video, we will share with you a list of the top 16 healthy foods which contain very low carbs or sugars. Eating these in the place of junk foods will bring in lots of nutrients to your body and allow it to heal naturally. Let's take a look at some of these foods. 1. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on the planet. This is a leafy green vegetable which helps to lower inflammation and provide energy and nutrients. It contains no carbohydrates, only healthy forms of fiber. 2. Eggs. Eggs contain all of the building blocks of life yet have no carbs or sugars within them. They are rich in proteins, amino acids, vitamins and minerals which help the body's cells to heal and grow. 3. Pecan nuts. These contain a very low amount of net carbs and contain a high amount of fiber. These provide minerals which heal the thyroid gland and are an excellent source of omega-3. 4. Cheese. Cheese is one of the healthiest sources of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, E, D and K2. This helps calcium to be absorbed into the bones, teeth and nails. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins which improve the health of the brain. 5. Chicken. Chicken is a lean white meat which is rich in iron, protein, calcium, potassium and B vitamins. This supports the health of the heart and increases serotonin in the brain to ward off depression. Meat sources contain zero carbohydrates or sugar. 6. Butter. Another low-carb food which is rich in natural fats. Pure butter that has not been blended with vegetable oil is one of the best sources of vitamin A to protect your eyes, skin and hair. The calcium in butter also strengthens bones and is very bioavailable. 7. Beef. A healthy red meat containing a rich source of vitamin B12. Beef is excellent in the development of healthy muscles and provides energy. Like chicken and other meats, this contains no carbs or sugar. 8. Salmon. Like other fish, this is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which heals the body internally, especially when trying to lose weight. Eating fish improves the health of the central nervous system and contains no carbs or sugar. 9. Coconut oil. This is a healthy oil which provides an excellent source of natural fats. This contains no sugars or carbs yet provides an alternative fuel for the body. This helps you to achieve strong mental focus and a healthy overall body. When cooking delicious meals, replace the vegetable oils for some extra virgin coconut oil to maximize your health. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains no carbs or sugar yet is one of the healthiest drinks on the planet. It contains a substance known as chlorophyll which is rich in antioxidants. These heal the body internally at the cellular level, helping you to lose weight and lower inflammation. 11. Watermelon. Watermelon contains an extremely low amount of carbohydrates and natural sugars. It is rich in fiber and minerals which help to flush the digestive system and keep the colon healthy. Eating this fruit is an excellent alternative to junk foods such as cookies, bread, biscuits, pasta or waffles. 12. Cauliflower. This healthy vegetable is known for its anti-inflammatory effects due to its concentration of antioxidants. It contains two groups of antioxidants which have been scientifically shown to slow the growth of cancerous cells. 13. Blackberries. All fruits contain a small amount of sugars, however berries contain the lowest amount. Blackberries and strawberries contain pigments which help in healing the body and sharpening the brain. 14. Xylitol. This is a replacement for granulated sugar. Xylitol is a natural sweetener made from the wood of birch trees. This tastes sweet and exactly the same as sugar yet is not absorbed by the body. This does not trigger an insulin response and is therefore excellent when trying to lose weight. 15. Mint. Mint is one of the healthiest and tastiest natural herbs available. It contains a powerful compound called menthol, which is anti-inflammatory and heals the body from within. It contains no sugars or carbohydrates and can be used in many dishes or drinks. 16. Turmeric. One of nature's most powerful natural healers. This spice can be used in cooking to boost the health of the body rapidly. This can work wonders for lowering blood pressure, aiding weight loss and curing depression and anxiety. Be sure to add a little black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin compound it contains. As you can see, there are a great range of foods available which contain no sugar and no carbs. Most leafy green cruciferous vegetables can be eaten without concern and contain the highest amount of plant-based nutrients. These should be eaten raw, as once they are heated they lose some of their nutrients. We recommend eating lots of kale, watercress, broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, spinach, beet tops and arugula. It is important to be aware when following a low-carb diet that many fruits contain lots of fructose. This sugar can promote an insulin response which slows down weight loss. When eating meat, try to look for high-quality grass-fed animals which have not been minced or processed. To learn more about nutrition and healthy foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.